So still on the inverter, we had to verify whether the DC link capacitors are not busted or they have any sign of damage. As you can see, there is no sign of any damage on the capacitors. They would have swollen, they would have busted if there was any sign of a problem with the capacitor bank. Yeah, because now we see we are going to be doing the DC link test. And DC link test is basically, we are going to test these capacitors, whether they are in, in, in operation. And if they're in operation, they'll give us good results. But it was important to check physically to see whether there's any physical damage on the capacitors, and which we have seen. We have seen the thyristors are here, the two thyristors for regulating the DC voltage is there. So anyway, you have a heat sink here. This heat sink, any heat which is here, which is being produced by the thyristors, is directly transferred to this heat sink. This heat sink is cooled. There are some fans down there for cooling the heat sink, as you can see. So the heat is dissipated and cooled. All the energy, excess energy, is lost by heat, and it is being cooled. Um, so basically, you can see that this is so far what we have done. So in this aspect of service, we have done three different procedures. The first one is to establish the travel curve card to see that it is well serviced. Then the other one is to see that the regulation card, this card has two parts. It has got the power module on this side, as you can see, and then it has got the power bank on the back. So you have got the power supply on this side and the power bank on the back. So we have to check both. And then of course we have now finished with the conductors and done with that, the power supply we have done. So we are going to put back the whole system and then we do the testing. Adios.